Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dave, and this is Let's Talk Crypto. So today I'd like to go over some of the different ways that we can research cryptocurrencies and basically learn about the cryptocurrency that we want to buy, perhaps. And there's many different websites out there, obviously the biggest one being CoinMarketCap. And I will put the descriptions in the video at below. So all these websites that I show you, there will be a description in the link below. But basically, let's start with CoinMarketCap. Okay, so currently we're sitting at a market cap of about 508 billion. That's up a little bit from yesterday. We did touch down into the 400s yesterday, unfortunately. We only have a 24-hour volume of about 25 million, which is a little low. Usually it's up to 29 or 30 million, and Bitcoin dominance somewhere around 33%. Now, let's take a stock, for example. Let's look at NIO. So a few of the things that we can find out on CoinMarketCap is, obviously they have some different charting here. You can change the chart from a 1 day, a 7 day, 1 month, 3 month. So let's just have a look at a month for the sake of argument. So we can see here in the 1 month that NIO has been as high as, looks like $194, currently sitting at a price of $144. And there's different things on the website we can find out about. So for example, let's want to know where we can buy NIO. If we hit markets, that'll tell us all the different exchanges we can find it on. Upbit, Binance, Bitfinex, CoinEgg, Huobi. So obviously this one is listed on many different exchanges. NIO is not a hard one to get. And other things we can find on here is their social media presence. So let's see here. We've got their Twitter. Twitter is a very big tool in this industry, fellas. You need to have Twitter. You need to check Twitter. You need to follow everybody. Every stock that you buy, you should be following on Twitter. You should know everything about when things are coming out from your stock, if it has any announcements, if its platforms are launching, if there's any betas, anything that has to do with affecting the price of your stock, you should know ahead of time. And I didn't mean to refer to it as a stock. I apologize. A cryptocurrency. So anyways, back to what I was saying. So on this CoinMarketCap, there's many things that we can research. And again, we can find their website, the historical data if we want to look into it. So we can tell, okay, you know, it was closing somewhere in the $70, $80 range about a month ago from today. And now we're up to somewhere in the 140 range. So there's lots of information that we can get off of CoinMarketCap. It is one of the most used websites by all traders, and I personally like it. I find it very useful. I check it every morning, and it's one of my favorite tools. That being said, there are a few others. Here's one here called CoinGecko. CoinGecko is same idea. It pretty much has the same thing. This one has a little bit of different, it has actual community interest, developer, public interest, so they get into the social media aspect. So this one has a little different information, but at the same time, it's pretty much standard across the board. You're going to want to do your research. You're going to want to go to the actual website of whatever cryptocurrency it is that you want to purchase. Then you're going to want to do your research. You're going to definitely want to know the team behind it. You're going to want to know their roadmap. So, for example, let's see here. Where do we got? Twitter. I can't find it on this website, so I'll just make it easy. We'll go to NIO's website, and we'll have a look at what their general outline and their plan is. Okay, so NIO is an open network for smart economy. So basically, NIO is a non-profit community-based blockchain project that utilizes blockchain technology and a digital identity to digitize assets, to automate the management of digital assets using smart contracts, and to realize a smart economy with a disrupted network, a distributed network. My God, I can't even speak today. I apologize. Onward. So, like I said, here's CoinGecko. That's another one that you can, find in the comment section below. Another one here is coincheckup.com. Again, most of these do the exact same thing. You're going to find the same information on any of the different websites. But like I said, it is good to do your research before you buy stock. You'd like to know that you're not buying in on an all-time high, or you're not buying in when the stock is gone on its way up, up, and up. Maybe you want to wait and buy the dip. Never FOMO in. FOMO means fear of missing out. And that happens to a lot of us. So make sure that you don't do that. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to talk about is Twitter. Like I said, Twitter is your #1 source for everything, for all your information. You want to follow as many people as you can on Twitter. If you're into Tron, you follow Justin Sun. You're going to follow Ripple if you're into Ripple. All the different articles. Cointelegraph, I follow a lot of the news sections. That's why I can bring you guys the news every day. I do my best to wake up, and I'm going to be bringing you news every single day. The most current things, the most current coins on the market. That's another thing. That reminds me, before we leave, the other thing I like to check every day is I go to the gainers and losers under trending. I would go to the gainers and losers. I always like, not that I buy any of these, but sometimes. And I always like to see, like 316% up for the day. Bitcoin white, wild crypto. Now, again, there's tiny volume. The only thing that has some kind of volume here is this chat coin. 81 million, up 50%. So, oh, look at that, BitConnect, up 39%. What are the odds? We're not going to get into that. Anyways, the other thing I like in trending is recently added. Obviously, this is where a lot of the ICOs come first. You can first find them. A lot of times they're hard to get to. They're not on all the exchanges just yet. So, for example, let's say CoinFi. That was one I was looking at, CoinFi. I don't know exactly how you say it, but basically I was looking at this one. And what I understand is this is a trading platform for cryptocurrencies that is going to help you analyze the market, trends, and basically, look at the partners they have here. They've got some good press. They've got some good people behind them. And basically, so you'll be able to access the platform. Their trading technologies, they'll have signals, algorithms, and bots. You'll get all the news and editorial. You'll get their in-house team of Wall Street's analysts, experts. So, basically they'll just be steering you into what they want you to buy. Be careful. But no, I do think it's a great project, and I do think I'm going to check it out when it's available. And I've already checked out the platform just to see what they're trying to pull off, and I think it's a great project. I'm looking forward to it. I haven't bought any of the coin, but I'm definitely going to check out the platform. So that being said, just want to thank you all for listening. Please, we're a new channel here. We'd really love it if you would like and subscribe. Hit that like button, and we'll be back every day. We do a new video, and we're going to be getting better and better as time goes on. So we really appreciate your patience. I promise you we're going to get into some good stuff, and leave us your comments. Tell us what you want to talk about, and we're going to start talking about it.